Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the debtor status. A debtor status allows the practice to display a preset warning on a debtor's file. A warning will be displayed every time a booking is made. An icon will also display on the booking time slot when a booking is made for a patient to whom the practice has allocated a status. Statuses can be set up to suit the needs of the practice. For example, a status can be added to indicate that the debtor is a slow payer, the patient has a payment arrangement, is eligible for discounts or special rates, pays on time, or the debtor's account has been handed over for collection. Please note that custom statuses can currently only be made on the GoodX desktop app. These statuses will then be pulled through to the GoodX web app in order for the user to utilize the statuses that have been set up. For an extensive explanation regarding how to set up statuses in the desktop app, please refer to the Debtor Status List user manual linked in this video's description. In this video, we will start on a debtor detail screen. For more information regarding how to navigate to the debtor detail screen, please refer to the Create New Debtor user manual linked in this video's description. Adding a debtor status allows the user to assign a desired status to the debtor, such as normal, discontinued, slow payer, and so on. Click on the Select drop-down menu at the top of the screen to select the status that the user would like to allocate to the debtor. Please keep in mind that all debtors will have their statuses set to normal by default until the user changes it. Select an option from the list that has become available. Normal is the default status that is allocated to all debtors. Discontinued means the debtor is not active at the practice and their file is no longer in use. Please note that all other statuses are custom statuses created to meet the needs of the practice and will vary depending on the user's preferences. For more information regarding how to set up custom statuses, please refer to the Debtor Status List user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Close button to return to the previous screen without saving. An attention pop-up will appear to advise the user that they might have unsaved changes and if they would like to exit anyway. Click on the OK button to exit the screen without saving and return to the previous screen. Note that the changes that were made will be lost. Or click on the Cancel button to ignore the request to close without saving changes and return to the debtor detail screen. Click on the Save button to save all changes that have been made to the debtor. For more information regarding the debtor list, please refer to the Debtor List user manual linked in this video's description. Next, we will take a look at adjusting the debtor status on new bookings from the diary screen. During the booking process, if a user makes a booking for a debtor who has been assigned a status, the user will be notified. On the diary screen, click on the booking of the desired patient. A red message warning will appear on the Add Edit Booking screen to advise the user of the debtor status that have been allocated to the debtor for whom the user is making a booking. For more information on how to create a booking, please refer to the Book Existing Patient user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Close button to cancel the booking and return to the diary screen without saving. Click on the Save button to save the booking and return to the diary screen. Lastly, we will take a look at the debtor status indication on the diary screen, which will appear when debtor status have been assigned to the debtor when a booking is made on a diary. The debtor status will appear on the diary booking illustrated by a Thunderbolt icon. Hover over the Thunderbolt icon to see the type of debtor status that has been allocated to the debtor for whom the booking is.